So in this video, we are going to talk about the top 3 stocks that have a huge potential for growth in April. Now, an extremely important video, so make sure you understand what is the thought process and what is the reason behind each of these stocks. Now, we know what is happening around the globe. We know that inflation is very high. We know there is a Russia-Ukraine issue going on. The oil prices are going up. There is a supply and demand issue because of the raw material costs going up. Also, the US Feds are increasing the interest rate. So there are a lot of things happening, and hence understanding which are the stocks to pick or which are the stocks to add to your portfolio right now is extremely important. So make sure if you do find this video useful, you do like it, you do subscribe as well. Now, before we get into the stocks, I just want to quickly show you where we are with the Nifty. So this is the Nifty daily chart right now. What you need to understand is over the last 2 weeks, the Nifty did go up by almost 10%, and it is actually near a resistance area right now. So you need to be very careful that you're not entering any of your positions right now, but you wait to understand if the Nifty is going up from here or is there a reversal happening and Nifty is going down near the support area. And according to that is when you should be taking your positions in the market. Now, the first company on the list is Newgen Software Technologies. Now, this is an IT sector based company. The reason IT sector or tech stock is chosen is because right now, considering the high inflation it is happening, these kind of companies are not being impacted much because of higher profit margin. Now, Newgen Software Technologies, they provide services and software products such as business service management, which is used for understanding how to grow a business, or they even provide enterprise content management, which is to understand how the entire organization's content and they understand the life cycle of the content as well. So there are multiple different services and products which are provided by Newgen. Now, the company is quite going aggressive in terms of growth and have recently acquired Number Theory in order to help them with the entire digital transformation as well. Now, looking into the fundamentals of the company is currently trending at 504 rupees per share. If you see the market cap is currently at 3,500 crores, which makes it a small cap company. The PE ratio is at 22 and the return on equity is at 20.7%. Now, if you look at the profit and loss statement, what you can clearly see is that from 2015 until 2021, the sales have gone up, and it has gone up by more than 2 times. Also, the trailing 12 months, the sales are much higher. If you see the operating profit, then the operating profit has gone up by nearly 4 times. The profit before tax has also gone up. The net profit has also gone up by nearly 4 times. So definitely, the fundamentals show that the company has a very strong fundamentals. Now, looking at the technical chart of the company, what I want you to see over here is that currently the stock is trending near the support area. Now, this you need to be very careful because in the upcoming week or during the April 1st week, what you need to see is that is there a reversal happens and the stock starts going up. In case of that, I will be taking a position and you can expect anywhere between 12 to 15% of return over here. But in case the stock doesn't show a reversal and starts going down, then avoid taking any position over here because you will not see any sort of support at least until 415 level. So depending on how the next week's performance is, according to that, I will be taking a position over here. Now, the second company on the list is Deepak Nitrite. Now, this is a chemical manufacturing company. They make both organic, inorganic and specialty chemicals. They have a strong market share in whatever chemical products which they make. Now, for example, phenolics, they have almost 58% of the market share in that. And this product is used in making paints, thinners, etc. Their basic chemicals has also a strong market share and is used in pharma industry. Their specialty chemicals has a market share of almost 18%. So definitely they are a dominant player in the Indian market. Right now, because of the entire lockdown which is currently happening in China, there is a shortage of raw products which is being faced by a lot of different companies, and Deepak Nitrite is also one of them. Now, looking into the fundamentals of the company currently is trending at 2,228 rupees, and if you see the market cap of the company, it is currently at 30,000 crores. So definitely it's a large cap company. Now, the company has a PE ratio of 27.9 and has a return on equity percent of almost 40%. If you see the profit and loss statement of the company, the sales has grown right from 2015 onwards until 2021. The sales have grown by more than 4 times. And if you see trailing 12 months, it is continuously growing as well. The operating profit has seen a massive increase from just 140 crores all the way to 1,252 crores. So definitely the company has seen a massive increase in the OPM. The profit before tax has gone up, and the net profit has also grown up immensely over the last 5 years or the last 6 years. Now looking into the technical chart of the company, you can clearly see over here, this is where the company is currently at. Now the company did see an increase in the share price by almost 17 or 18% in the last 2 weeks. Now what you need to be very careful is that right now it is exactly near resistance area. From here in the upcoming week or in the upcoming 2 weeks of the April, will the stock actually show a reversal and will start going down? If yes, then you need to put your target price accordingly so that you're able to buy it over there. And in case the stock starts going up, then again, definitely you have a profit margin which you can take of almost 15%. So depending on how the upcoming week's performance is, you should be ideally taking a position over here. Now the third company on the list is Amritanjan. Now I'm quite sure majority of us know this company. It's an extremely old company and they have a very familiar and a very popular product which majority of the households in India will have, which is the Amritanjan Pain Relief Balm. Now it's a yellow color bottle. I'm sure you would have seen it. So this is one of their core products which is in terms of pain relief segment. And as per the annual report, they hold almost about 47% of the market share in India. Now it's just not the balm, they have a variety of products in this segment. Also, they have the growth segment, which involves your sanitary pads or beverages. They're trying to penetrate into these sectors as well. Now looking into the fundamentals of the company has a stock price of 856 rupees per share and a market cap of 2,500 crores, which makes it a small cap company. Now the PE ratio of the company is almost 40 and the return on equity is almost 32.6%. Now if you look at the profit and loss statement, you can clearly see that the sales of the company from March 2010 to 2021 has almost gone more than 3 times. And if you see the operating profit has seen a massive increase, has seen almost about 6 times increase. The profit before tax has seen an increase and the net profit has gone from just 12 crore all the way to 63 crores. So almost about 5 to 6 times increase over there as well. So definitely strong fundamentals of the company. Now if you look at the technical chart of the company, this is where the company is currently at. So the company is currently near its resistance area. So in the upcoming week, what you need to understand is the stock price going up or down? Because over the last 2 weeks, the stock price has almost gone up by 12%. So definitely in the upcoming week, you need to see if there is a reversal and will the stock again come near a support or will the stock break the resistance and start going up? And according to that, you should be taking a position. Don't just jump into it directly. So in summary, these are the top 3 stocks that have a huge potential to grow in April. Now again, this is not from an investment point of view. This is not an investment advice as such, but this is purely from a knowledge point of view. So you understand which are the stocks that have a huge potential to grow in April and what are the reasons behind it. Now, I hope you actually found this video useful, and if you did, do hit the like button, do subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.